Hi there, you're watching Fish Finally, where we aim to bring you up to date on the latest and best in the world of fishing. From essentials like fish finders, fishing rods and reels, to accessories like fishing gloves or backpacks, we have something for everyone. We test them in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For a fishing enthusiast looking for helpful buying guides, nothing could be better than Fish Finally.
If you are just starting out in the kayaking world, we recommend that you opt for a high-quality kayak for beginners. This will help you to fall in love with this beloved outdoor activity. Similar to canoeing, kayaking allows you to go into higher surf as well as is great for solo use. Our guide video on the 7 best kayak for beginners has all the choices you could hope for. We've included quite a few types of kayak for beginners, so pay attention and pick the one best suited for your needs. If you are using any of the kayak for beginners, then what is your opinion on it? Let me know in the comments.
Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 7. Wilderness Systems Pungo Kayak. This Pungo kayak by Wilderness Systems is a great choice for anyone looking for an affordable kayak that is versatile and reliable. It's perfect for taking on short trips or camping trips, and it's easy to store when not in use. The kayak is made of high-density polyethylene, which makes it more durable than the typical kayak. It has a seating room for 3 individuals, so this tandem kayak can double up as a family kayak. The kayak delivers dynamic on-water performance with superior stability, unmatched speed, premium comfort, and intelligent outfitting. It has reassuring stability without sacrificing performance. The patented Phase 3 AirPro seating system featured on the kayak is the core of what makes Wilderness Systems the world's most comfortable kayak. It also has an upgraded dashboard, which offers paddlers convenience and many options for customization. It features a removable dry box, 2 cup holders, slide tracks to hold mounts for phones, fishing rods, and other accessories, and 2 customizable mounting platforms. There is also a recess designed for the Wilderness Systems lithium battery, which keeps your electronics charged on the go. Number 6. Perception Pescador Pro Kayak. If you're searching for a simple-to-work regular fishing trip with an exemplary style, look no further than the Perception Pescador Pro Kayak. This kayak has a pilot drive pedal system that can be fully recessed into the hull for 0 drafts. The Perception's superior stability and performance make it a definitive boat for paddlers, everything being equal. It has a leak-proof one-piece construction with built-in buoyancy for added safety. It features a large front and rear open storage for cooler, tackle, and other gear. It includes gear tracks, fish finder consoles, and rod holders for anglers. The kayak is 10 feet in length and 32 inches in width. Moreover, this kayak is 57 pounds in weight that has 325 pounds max capacity. This kayak for beginners has a spacious, sit-on-top design with generous storage and accessory mounts that make the kayak easy to customize. It also comes with a pilot drive propeller system that effortlessly propels the boat, even in reverse, while leaving both hands free for fishing or taking photos.
Let's start the ball rolling with the best budget option that will not skimp on any desired features.
Number 5. SunDolphin 10-foot Kayak. The 10-foot kayak by SunDolphin is the perfect choice for beginner kayakers. It's lightweight and easy to transport, making it a great option for those on a budget. This kayak is suitable for lakes and rivers where fishing spots are harder to reach. It's constructed of dent-resistant and durable UV-stabilized Fortiflex high-density polyethylene. It will last for many years of use on the water. The easy-to-carry SunDolphin kayak features a unique and removable PASC. It can be used as an extra storage compartment when needed. It has a 250 pounds capacity. This kayak has everything you need as a beginner, which includes 2 flush-mount fishing rod holders behind the seat, as well as 1 swivel fishing rod holder at the front. Its large seating area and protective thigh pads offer you a more comfortable ride on longer trips. This kayak for beginners also has adjustable foot braces to accommodate the paddler's height. The conveniently located paddle holder secures the paddle while you fish. Number 4. Lifetime Tamarack Angler Kayak. If you are intrigued to utilize a fishing kayak for your convenience, for what reason don't pick the Lifetime Tamarack Angler Fishing Kayak? The Lifetime Tamarack is a sit-on-top fishing kayak that has a comfortable padded seat and backrest for your long paddling and fishing adventures. It is designed for extreme safety and stability. Additionally, the Tamarack Angler has a stable, flat bottom with deep tracking channels and stability chine rails. Moreover, this kayak is constructed of blow-molded high-density polyethylene that makes it durable, UV-protected, and impact-resistant. The 52-pound plan and front and back convey handles make it simple to ship to and from the waterfront. It comes with casting pole holders, stun rope lashes, numerous ottoman positions, and 2 stockpiling hatches, which have a lot of additional items to improve your rowing and fishing experience. Number 3. Lifetime Youth Wave Kayak. Kayaking is definitely a sport that you can get into at a young age, though most kayaks are designed for adults. The Lifetime Youth Wave Kayak is designed specifically with children in mind, ages 5 and up, with adult supervision. It comes with a host of features that make life easier for a budding young kayaker. It has an ergonomically designed cockpit to enhance balance and reverse chins which serve to trap water under the boat, making it hard to capsize. This kayak has a specially designed swim-up step at the rear of the kayak combined with mounted finger grooves for extra grip, making re-entry very easy. The self-bailing scupper holes will take care of any water they bring in with them. Its multiple footrest positions provide comfort for a range of different-sized paddlers, while twin fins mounted on the bottom assist in tracking and even surf riding. This kayak is easy to transport and comparatively easy to store. Getting it to the waterline is not a problem, and once it's in the water, it is stable and easy to use.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Intex Explorer K2 Kayak. The K2 makes our list of the best tandem kayak for fishing with its versatility and dependable performance. An inflatable backrest is included for your convenience, and it also comes with a skeg for greater stability. The vivid yellow color is not only aesthetically pleasing but also improves visibility in the water. This kayak for beginners is made from durable vinyl, and it should hold up well even with constant use. The seats are adjustable so you'll feel comfortable and not have to wrestle with the kayak. The K2 is not the most advanced kayak out there, but for those who are into weekend kayaking, this will suffice. It is designed for lakes and small bodies of water. This kayak for beginners is ideal for solo, tandem, or family kayaking. The paddle has a simple design but is effective, and it won't wear you out the way other kayaks do. Some assembly is needed, but the procedure is straightforward and the instructions are clear.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. Intex Challenger Kayak. If you are interested to use a kayak for your convenience, why do not pick the Intex Challenger Inflatable Kayak? Enjoy more outdoor adventures with the Intex Challenger Inflatable Kayak. This model is suitable for carrying 2 individuals, up to 350 pounds. The cockpit is designed for comfort and maximized space, and is inflatable. This kayak for beginners is made with a strong, 30-gauge PVC vinyl material. It ensures that it's sturdy enough to handle those rugged river waters. It's professionally certified so that you can paddle with confidence. This kayak comes with an 84-inch aluminum oar, repair patch, and high-output manual hand pump, rugged vinyl construction. It also comes with everything you need to tackle virtually any lake or stream. Whether you're overnight kayak camping or just going for a paddle on a nearby pond, this K2 inflatable kayak with oars and other accessories is an ideal choice. Thanks for watching. Hope you have no doubts about the 7 best kayak for beginners on the market. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a suggestion in the comment box if you think we can do better.